Hey, what's up YouTube? This video here, we're going to do another thing on the Black Widow key machine that the X-Force Dolphin can't do, and that's going to be code cutting a Schlage key. And so to do that, we're going to go into the app here. We'll just hit standard keys, and we'll just select Schlage here. And we're doing 5-pin SC1. And for our code here, I do have a key to this lock. And I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera or not here, but the bidding on this lock is actually going to be 87228. So we'll enter that into the app, and we'll cut the key here. So on the app, I'm going to go input, and what did I say? 87228. And we're going to be cutting it on the S2 jaw, or S2 clamp on the B side of it. And so go ahead, cut. Cut again here, and it's just telling us it's a shoulder stop key, 2mm cutter, and I got it on speed 7. And we're going to get the key chucked up in the B side of the S2 here. And a nice little shoulder stop. I'm going to just tighten it down. And I'm going to hit OK on the app here, and the machine will do its thing, and then we'll test it out. So we're just going to index the clamp, index the key, and then it's going to cut it for us. All right, a couple of quick passes here, and the key is cut. And take it out of the vise here. And that's how it cuts it there. And we'll just test it out. And it works perfectly. So there's the Black Widow code cutting a Schlage key. And just one more thing that the X-Force Dolphin cannot do. And stay tuned here. I got a Black Widow playlist up on the screen as well. I'm going to do couple of videos here the next couple of days and weeks here of just cutting some keys that the Dolphin can't do. And guys, got any questions or comments, as always, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.